Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to help our cute little robot friend, mTiny, learn how to do his daily activities in the right order. But mTiny doesn't know which comes first. Should he play football first or take a bath first? Let's help him figure it out. Before we start, let's see what we have here. This is our mTiny map. We'll use it to create a fun story about mTiny's daily routine. And here's our cute little robot mTiny. He'll move around the map following our instructions. This is mTiny's pen. We use it to scan the coding cards and tell him what to do. These are our coding cards. Each one gives a special command like move forward, turn left, or turn right. Everything's ready. Now let's help mTiny follow his daily routine in the right order. So let's start coding. What should mTiny do first after waking up? Right, take a bath. We'll begin by using our coding blocks. First, place the green flag. That tells mTiny to start the program. Then add 2 move forward blocks to help him reach the bathroom. And finally, place the go flag block to make him start moving. Let's scan the cards and see mTiny go. Look, mTiny moves forward and reaches the bathroom safely. Now that mTiny is fresh and clean, what's next? Time to study. For this, we'll code him to move from the bathroom to his study table. Here we are going to use a turn right block, followed by another move forward block. See how mTiny moves forward, turns right and moves forward again? He reaches his study table perfectly. That's sequencing in action. And after studying, it's time to play football. We'll use a new emotions block set for the first time. Let's code mTiny's path. Look, mTiny turns right, moves forward twice, and when he reaches the football area, he's happy. By following the steps in the right order, mTiny completes his daily routine perfectly. Wasn't that fun? Today, we helped mTiny learn how to plan his day, step by step, just like real little coders. By using coding cards and thinking in the right order, we learned the basics of sequencing, the foundation of all programming. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our screen-free coding course at MakersPlace. To purchase your own mTiny robot kit, visit us at the EduMarketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.